Two giants in the CRM world, Salesforce versus Keap. Which one really delivers? On one side, we have the feature-rich, enterprise-grade Salesforce, and on the other, the nimble, user-friendly Keap. We'll test them on what matters: automation, customization, pricing, user experience, support, and more. Forget the fancy jargon, let's focus on actual results. Each area gets scored, and by the end, you'll know which CRM truly comes out ahead. The winner may surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's a quick mind map of everything we'll cover. We've got price, features, ease of use, integrations, reporting and analytics, scalability, and support. Whew, that's a lot. But trust me, each one totally makes a difference. Alright, first up, price. Let's be honest. Money talks. Salesforce definitely brings a lot to the table for big companies, but that price? Yikes. It's not cheap. And honestly, all those extra add-ons can add up fast unless you land one of those non-profit discounts. On the flip side, Keap is almost refreshing. It's wallet-friendly for small teams, and pricing is way more straightforward. Still, you don't get everything for free. There's no free plan, and some extras might up the bill. Between the two, Keap just feels way easier on the budget. So if you're cost-conscious, you know what? Keap kinda edges this round. Let's talk features. Now, Salesforce, this is wild. It has more bells and whistles than most people even know what to do with. Customization, thousands of integrations through App Exchange, advanced automations. Seriously, if you want it, they probably have it. But here's the catch. It can get overwhelming, especially if you're new. Keap keeps things a lot simpler. Sales, marketing, and automation all in one place. But if you want super granular control or loads of custom stuff, Keap might not be enough. Honestly, for pure power and flexibility, Salesforce pretty much wins this one. It's just, well, a lot seamers wins this one. It's when they have it. Ease of use. This one's big, especially for new teams. Salesforce has improved a ton. They've freshened up the interface, which helps. But let's be real, the learning curve is steep. You kind of need an admin just to get everything humming. Keap though? Total opposite. Super simple setup and that guided onboarding. They literally walk you through stuff. It's intuitive, so even if you hate manuals, you'll still get it. If you're after quick starts and minimal headaches, Keap is the easy winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Salesforce was actually the first cloud CRM ever way back in 1999? I mean, talk about OG status. Next, integrations. Salesforce? Absolute beast. There's almost nothing it doesn't connect with. And if you want to build something custom, their open API is ready for you. Setting it up, though, can get a bit technical. Keap, by contrast, plays friendly with top marketing and email tools, but there's not the same depth. Also, some integrations are locked behind higher priced plans. If you're dreaming big with your tech stack, Salesforce takes the cake. Not even close. Reporting and analytics. So, okay, if you're a numbers person, Salesforce is going to blow your mind. We're talking powerful dashboards, AI, and custom reporting up the wazoo. Only thing? You might spend hours figuring it all out, honestly. Keap keeps things simple with easy-to-read reports, but you might miss those deeper metrics and endless customization. If analytics are your jam, Salesforce just does so much more. Scalability. This is where things get kind of dramatic. Salesforce is practically designed to go from startup to massive enterprise. Their user and role management is actually super robust, so growth isn't a problem, except maybe the actual setup if you get huge. Keap is awesome for very small businesses, but if you suddenly explode with growth, it's not quite in the same league. So yeah, Salesforce wins, no contest for teams who want to scale big time. Now for support. Here things are pretty balanced, honestly. Salesforce offers 24/7 plans and a massive ocean of help resources, but some support options cost extra. Keap gives you live chat and phone without having to shell out more, and onboarding help is solid. But their user community is just smaller, so not as much crowd wisdom. I'd actually call this one a tie. Both have their quirks, but you're covered either way. Okay, so before we wrap up, check out this radar chart for a bird's eye view of each platform. You'll notice, Salesforce goes all out on features, integrations, analytics, scalability. Keap gets those wins on price and ease of use. The visuals really say it all. So, my honest take? If you're a tiny team or solo entrepreneur and you want a fuss-free all-in-one deal, Keap is a breath of fresh air. But if you're planning to ramp up, need advanced tools, or want customization and crazy integration options, Salesforce is just, well, go for it. At the end of the day, Salesforce takes the win overall for teams who want to scale and need every bell and whistle. But hey, Keap totally holds its own for small businesses who don't want complexity. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe so you never miss the next deep